at CrossFit Fight Club. I'm Shivansh, and today we'll be troubleshooting some triangles. What I'm trying to tell you is be good partners. ऐसा करो जैसा होना चाहिए. Don't just lousily sit here. If you sit here, you already know यहाँ से क्या करना होता है. You can start finishing triangles once. I go here, I start to go, and my partner starts to push it up. Now I'm in a bad position. Now I go back up, push, in. Now we're good to go. Right? So generate that reaction. If partner loudly बैठा हुआ है, then start pulling them in, start catching the hip. Now they can't go back. They've got 2 points of strong connection. Now you start pushing this side, inside, whatever you want. Because they have to be pushing back. That's how your balance works. Got it? Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. You go here, I was here. Usually when you're off balance, my partner will go there like that, and then you pull them back. As you pull them back, the hand usually will be here, like so. Now you can overhook it, and you can finish your triangles from here. Or अगर आपको arm bars भी जाना है, this arm bar particularly is very, very, very strong. ठीक है? But you have to keep a couple of things in mind. When you lock your arm around the elbow, ऐसे, you can't be lousy with it. मतलब इसे ढीला नहीं छोड़ना है. My thumb pulls back and my elbow pinches. This is the tightness I want. तो इससे होगा क्या? अगर आपने यहाँ पकड़ा है, फिसलेगा और यहाँ फंसेगा. जैसे जब आप क्या पहनते हैं, ब्रेसलेट पहनते हैं, क्या पहनते हैं यहाँ पे, कड़े पहनते हो, फंस जाते हैं यहाँ पे. This has to be something like a कड़ाई. फंसना चाहिए यहाँ पे. यहाँ से वो फिसल सकता है because it is starts to narrow and then it locks it like a knot. If he tries to pull up, this is what should happen. Then he'll finally get caught. Now this much time is enough for me to start getting angles, start attacking the partner. Plus you have other connections to keep your partner in. Now यहाँ पे हो, you get your connection, pull, elbow pinches back. As your partner tries to pull, I start scooping. 1, I open and I come here. My knee comes in front. It comes in front because I can't go पीछे. यहाँ नहीं जा सकती. अगर यहाँ जाती तो मैं बोलता यहाँ रखो. अब पीछे कैसे लगाओगे? जा ही नहीं सकता. So we come here. When my partner is trying to pull, I go here. If you see, my partner's arm is already extended. My partner's arm is already extended. ऐसे नहीं है. ये वाला arm bar नहीं है. इसमें partner का पहले arm extend करो, फिर यहाँ से pull करो. That's when you get the finish. Now my arm is already hyperextended. My heels point down. Active, नीचे, knees pinching. Do not flare your knees like that. It weakens your arm bar. Okay? Come here, like so. यहाँ से I have this tight bite. I'm going to start lifting my hips up. As he's trying to stand up and trying to do all of that, I lift, I pinch. That's how we get our finish. Okay? It's a very tight one, so tap on it. We're playing here. Let's say partner was here, right? I'm pulling him in. I'm pulling, he's pushing back. I'm pulling, he's pushing back. My partner starts standing up. I come here. Okay? They try to pull the arm free. They try to pull. I lock. Strong. Usually क्या होता है जब हम नीचे से arm bars lock करते हैं, you never cross your legs. Trap triangles are an exception. यहाँ पर आपने hug कर रखा है. यहाँ पे you can. Usually you don't. Usually keep your feet open. Right now you can, but keep your knees pinched. यहाँ से you lift, you get your tap. Try it. पहले भी करा हुआ है, इसको revise it. 1, 2, 3.